Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukias here. So today I'm going to show you how to make tasty and easy strawberry ice cream without using condensed milk or an ice cream maker. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 400 grams of strawberry, 200 milliliter of heavy whipping cream, 200 milliliter of normal milk, 150 grams of sugar, 3 medium eggs, a pinch of salt, 100 grams of vanilla powder optional, and lastly you're going to need 2 tablespoons of lime juice optional depending if your strawberries are too sweet. In a medium pot, you're going to add 200 milliliter of heavy whipping cream and 200 milliliter of normal milk and give a quick mix and let it to cook on a medium heat till it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, remove it from the fire and place it aside. Using a hand mixer or this kind of a hand mixer, you're going to add 150 grams of sugar, 10 grams of vanilla powder, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, 3 eggs and a pinch of salt. Then you're going to whip everything into a thick foam. It took me about 5 to 7 minutes till the mixture became thick like this. Afterwards, you're going to pour the boiled cream and the milk that we boiled in the beginning, about a quarter cup, then whisk for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Once you're done, you're going to combine the egg mixture into the cream and the milk and stir everything well. Then place it back on the fire and heat until it becomes thick. Do not let it to boil or else your ice cream will be ruined. Once it becomes hot and thick, remove it from the fire and pour in a container. Afterwards, let it to cool down completely. Then cover for overnight and place it in the fridge. This will increase the taste of the ice cream. After 8 hours or more, it's high time to make our ice cream. Make sure your strawberries are clean. Then afterwards, cut the crown and place them in a blender and blend them into a smooth paste. Afterwards, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. If by any chance that your strawberries have a bit of water, adding some sugar helps to reduce water from the strawberry. Then mix and blend for approximately 1 minute. At this point, you can able to test if your strawberries are too sweet. And if yes, you can add 2 tablespoons of lime juice and mix well, and my strawberries are ready. After 8 hours or more, remove your ice cream from the fridge. Like I said in the beginning, placing your ice cream in the fridge helps to increase the taste of the ice cream. In a large blender, you're going to add the ice cream and the strawberry mixture gradually while blending till everything is well mixed. Blend for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, then your strawberry ice cream will be ready. Pour your strawberry ice cream in a tight container and place it in the freezer for approximately 6 hours or more. So after 6 hours or more, our strawberry ice cream is ready, as you can see in the video. Let it to melt for approximately 10 minutes before serving it. After 10 minutes, serve your ice cream. I've already scooped some ice cream, as you can see in the video. This is the second bowl. If you want to get a nice round shaped ball like this, make sure your ice cream spoon is a bit hot. This will help to get a round shaped ball like this. Like you guys, this is the tastiest strawberry ice cream that I've ever made. Let me know in the comment below if you ever try out this recipe. Lastly, I'm going to decorate my strawberry ice cream with some strawberry fruits, as you can see in the video, and my strawberry ice cream is ready. And my delicious strawberry ice cream is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this ice cream, it's so tasty. You have to try this recipe and enjoy your strawberry ice cream. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of ice creams, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.